How to download Spotify music. So open the Spotify applications, then select the song like this, and share option here. So share now, and copy your link and now, and open the Chrome browser and search now like this, Spotify music for free now, like Spotify music downloader for free, and search now, and you will see options like Spotify Mate, this option, and click on it and paste your link you want to copy, and download option here. So download now, and you will see options like your song show and download mp3 and download cover hd. So select and download now, and cut the ad, and your song is successfully downloaded. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.